Have you ever wondered what Sauron really is in the world of the Lord of the Rings? Um, as a longtime fan, I can confidently tell you that Sauron was a formidable figure among the Maiar and wizards of Middle Earth during the Third Age. Um, Despite his mysterious nature, uh, more light has been shed on Sauron's origins and true form in the Amazon Prime Video series, The Lord of the Rings, the Rings of Power, with in the Silmarillion, J.R.R. Uh, um, Tolkien constructs a comprehensive mythology for Middle Earth, offering vital backstory on Sauron that spans the entire timeline of The Lord of the Rings from the Timeless Halls to Fourth Age. And um, it's there we learn that Sauron is an ancient Maya, a type of supreme spirit belonging to the Ainur race created by Middle-earth's god, Eru Ilúvatar. Um, However, Sauron's descent into evil was due to the influence of Morgoth, another Maya who initially drew him in with his swift and skillful execution of plans. Sauron's final physical form was destroyed along with the One Ring, leaving him unable to create a new body. Uh, in terms of strength, during the Third Age, Sauron was one of the most powerful Maiar, even surpassing Morgoth in strength at the end of the Second Age. However, in a battle between Eowyn and Sauron during the Second Age, Eowyn would have emerged victorious, as he serves as Manwë's herald and is unmatched in his battle prowess on Arda. Um, uh, so next time you dive into the world of the Lord of the Rings, remember that Sauron was not always the villain we know. He was once a devoted servant of Aule, shaping Arda alongside the Valar in the Timeless Halls. But as Morgoth's power grew, Sauron's path was twisted into darkness, leaving us with the famous antagonist we know today. Until next time, keep on exploring the magical world of Middle Earth.